Good morning, student. On last turn, I completed up to question number 13. Now today I will complete this chapter. Question number 14. Two circles touches externally. The sum of their area is 135 square centimeter. The distance between their center is 14 centimeter. Find the radii of the circle. See it. These are the two circles which touches externally. The radius of first circle is R1 and second circle is R2. This is O and this is P. Let R1 and R2 are the radii of two circles. The distance between their center is 14. That means this is 14. So R1 plus R2 is 14 centimeter. Sum of their area, that is pi R1 square plus pi R2 square is 135. Pi taking common, R1 square plus R2 square is 135. Pi and pi cancel. From this equation, or we write the value of R2 is 14 minus R1. So putting this in equation 2, R2 is equal to 14 minus R1 in equation 2. R1 square plus 14 minus R1 whole square is equal to 130. R1 square 14 square plus R1 square minus 2 into 14 into R1. A minus B whole square, A square plus B square minus 2AB is 130. R1 square and R1 square, 2R1 square, 14 square is 196 minus 28 R1 minus 130. Take this 130 on left side. So 2R1 square minus 28 R1 plus 6 minus 0 6, 9 minus 3 6. 2 common, R1 square minus 14 R1 plus 33. Factor of 33, sum is 14. So R1 square, so 11 3 is 33. So it will be minus 11 R1 minus 3 R1 plus 33. Taking pair and take the common. R1 is common. R1 minus 11 minus 3 common. R1 minus 11. R1 minus 3. R1 is 11 centimeter. So if R1 is equal to 11 centimeter, R2 is 14 minus R1, 14 minus 11, that is 3 centimeter. If R1 is 3 centimeter, R2 is 14 minus 3, 11 centimeter. Therefore, radii of two circles are 11 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Next question number 15. The outer circumference of a circular track is 528 meter. The track is everywhere 14 meter wide. The track is everywhere 14 meter wide. Calculate the cost of leveling the track at 50 paisa per square meter. So see, this is our a track. Outer circumference is 528 meter. This distance is 14 meter. So circumference, outer circumference is equal to 528. So let's take the radius is capital R. 2 pi capital R is equal to 528. 2 into 22 upon 7 into R is equal to 5 to 8. 5 to 8 into 7 upon 2 into 22. 2 2 ja, 2 6 ja, 2 4 ja, 2 11 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja, 2 2 ja, 11 1 ja, 11 2 ja, 12 7 ja, 84. Inner radius, that is small r, which is 14 meter less than the outer radius. 84 minus 14, that is 70 meter. Area of track, pi capital R square minus small r square, 22 upon 7, 84 square minus 70 square. That is 22 upon 7, 7056 minus 4900. 22 upon 7, 6, 5, 10 minus 9 is 1, 2. 7 3 are 21, 0, 7 8 are 56. So 308 multiplied 22, 616. That is equal to 6776 meter square. Cost of leveling the track is 50 paise per meter square. So total cost is 6776 into 50 upon 100 rupees. 2 3 ja, 2 3 ja, 2 8 ja, 2 8 ja. That is rupees 3388 is the answer. Last question of this chapter, that is question number 16. A bicycle wheel makes 500 revolution in moving 11 kilometer. Find the diameter of wheel. Total distance is 11 kilometer. Change into meter. That is 11,000 meter. The distance in 500 revolution is 11,000 meter. Distance in one revolution (22 meter). So therefore, circumference is 22 meter. Circumference is 2 pi r, 2 into 22 upon 7 into r, and r is equal to 22 into 7 upon 2 into 22. 22 and 22 cancel. 7 upon 2, 3.5 meter. So this chapter is completed. On next turn we will take new chapter for revision. Thank you.